Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to modify images within Google Docs. The process is quite easy, so just follow along with these steps. Begin by clicking on your picture, then select the three dots labeled Image Options and choose All Image Options from the side menu. From here, you can manage size and rotation, text wrapping, coloring, and more. Open the Size menu to manually input width and height, or use the scale percentages to get it just right. You can toggle the aspect ratio lock to prevent or allow distortion. To turn the image, use the manual rotation dial, or simply hit the 90-degree button to flip it. Next, explore the text wrapping settings. You can place the image in line, wrap text around it, break the text, or position it behind or in front of your content. Under the Position tab, decide if the image should move with your text or stay in a fixed spot on the page, allowing you to drag it anywhere. You can also apply quick layouts or change the image's color using the Recolor tab. For further fine-tuning, use the adjustment sliders to modify opacity, brightness, and contrast, or hit Reset to start over. Finally, you can add a description in the alt text section that covers the basics of image editing in Google Docs. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.